Probably one of the main focuses that we've got at the show is the new version of Enado, which is the web-based control system. We're actually showing version 5 with full voice integration. So what that basically means is you're now talking to your home. And in the past, where people have thought, 10, 11, 12 remotes is a big problem and using phones has been a little bit cumbersome, now you can just walk into a room, say lights on, and the miracle happens, it actually does it. We've also got some new innovations from Lutron in terms of wireless keypads and some very nice new finishes for their lighting panels and everything else as well. So a lot to show, really. What we always try and do as a company is to make sure everything is simplified. I mean, it's really important for people when they're building a house. They're looking at spending a capital sum, not a sum that's got to be repeated every year or every month. And what they don't want to be doing is buying technology that suddenly needs replacing every 12 months. One of the advantages of Enado is it's web-based, so it can be permanently kept up to date. And because there's no apps involved, you can use it on any phone. So it's Android, iOS, Windows, you could use your Mac or your PC. So that's incredibly flexible. And then with voice control as well, it really is fabulous. So that when you leave the home, you press one button and the whole house is off. When you arrive and the gates open, the lights on the drive automatically come on. The ability to watch TV and Sky in every room without having all that clutter underneath the television. I mean, that's one of the big things that's the big draw for a lot of people is they're replicating equipment time and time again. And a lot of people think the automation is going to be complicated. And it's actually exactly the opposite. It's all about making things a lot more simple for people to use. We tailor the solution to the customer and don't try and sell them just a product. We've had all sorts of people at the show, from your small retrofit kitchen family dining solution, and we've got some great lighting products for that allow you to change the mood in a room really quickly. I mean, you don't want to be walking from one end of a room to the other to dial in the mode that you want to dine to. So we've got some really nice low-cost solutions from under £1,500 for the kitchen family diner, all the way up to a full house solution. You can check out the website, www.enado.com. You can go through any of the resellers of Enado, or you can come to installautomation.com. We've got systems to scale to all sizes. We've done converted council flats all the way up to 26,000 square foot mansions with the product. I mean, I've got one property with over 60 rooms that's run by a controller that costs under £1,000. So I don't think anybody else can offer anything like that, not just in the UK, but worldwide. So we're very, very proud of it. And the customer satisfaction has been unbelievable. People just don't have problems.